Okay, we're going to go on a quick test drive here. We have 63,312 miles on the odometer. We're driving in sport mode. This red interior looks amazing. Love the color combo. If you see any flickering on the screens here, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Shifts nice and smooth. Steering's perfectly straight. Alignment is perfect. Really no complaints with drivability. It's very, very nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So we do have PPF paint protection film on the entire front clip. So full fender, full hood, and full front bumper. There's no film on the headlights. And then you also have film on the side mirrors and the door cups. Looking at this wheel, you're going to see these really light scuffs there. The rest of that looks good. Center cap looks nice. 285/35/22. It is 2023. Now looking at the paint, you're going to have typical swirls from everyday washing. Now this should just be on the film. And so when you see little swirls, I'm assuming that is just here on that surface of the film, because you're going to see these little markings like that. And you can kind of feel it in the film. Here on the side mirror, looks like a little snag and possibly a rock chip on the actual paint. A couple little scuffs. Like I said, on the paint itself here, you're going to have typical swirls and little imperfections. Now we do offer paint correction as well as ceramic coating, so you can get a lot of those out. But looking at the door as a whole, overall looks good. I see a scratch right there. This is a scratch here, a couple inches. There's a chip there. That is a crack right there in the plastic. You have a larger chip here. You have another larger one there. In this little section, because it's wide, you're going to have little rock impacts kind of peppered throughout that area and on that flare. The rest of that looks good. Here on this wheel, overall looks good. Like I said, no film on the headlights, so you are going to have little rock impacts. Clarity looks really good though. And then you're going to have impacts kind of peppered throughout this. Once again, it's on the film. Looking at the top, that looks good. Now here's a little bit larger one. Of course, you're going to have little impacts throughout. I don't see anything really larger than just those little impacts though. A little scuff in the film there. Another little spot. Luckily with film you can replace it and it will make it look really, really nice again. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar's nice and clean. Some little scratches there. Little fingernail scratches. But for the mileage, this looks really good still. A little chip there. Got some larger chips here and a scratch. Looking at that wheel. That looks good. That looks nice. I do see hard water stains on the back here. Lower side looks good. You're gonna have lots of little swirls and imperfections here, some little scratches. They're all very minor though, they do not catch your nail. A couple scratches on the plastic. Keep in mind, we're inches away. When you're just walking around the car, you're not gonna see a ton of those little imperfections. That looks really good though. All right, checking out this interior. Love the red and black combo. That looks really good. Massive panoramic roof. Super cool. It's a non-smoker. You have a little scuff there. Memory seating here on that handle, nice and clean. Those buttons look good. Door panel, all that looks good. That trim's clean. Love the floor mats, all weather. Here on that bolster, overall in great condition. You do have some light fading on this seat just from everyday use. It's not as vibrant as the other seat. May not show up in camera. Just doesn't have that rich, bright red look like you see here. See how bright red that is? And then you come on this side and it's a little more faded looking just from everyday use. But overall looks really good. Here on the steering wheel, upper section looks good. These buttons are nice and clean. That looks nice. Scanning through the upper side of the dash there. That looks good. Couple light scuffs here and there. That screen looks good. The rest of this is really nice. Here on that door panel, upper section looks amazing. That handle's nice and clean. That is a beautiful door panel with very minimal flaws. Memory seating. That trim looks good. Love the all-weather mats with the Porsche logo. That bolster looks good. The seat actually altogether looks really nice. Very, very clean. This side of the console, a couple little scuffs on that grab handle. A little scuff here. Upper side looks good. Dash right there looks awesome. And then check out this massive panoramic roof. That looks really, really good. Here on the back right door panel, you do have some little scratches across that handle. Bottom side looks good. Trim looks nice. Seat back's clean. That bolster looks really good. A couple light markings here in the middle. It's very subtle. It's the only other flaw I see there. Okay, here on the back left door panel, you do have a little nick right there. That looks good. Lower side's clean. Here on the handle itself, you do have some little scratches and gashes there. Most likely had a ring or something catching it. And there is a scratch there and a couple markings and a few more scratches. That trim looks good. Got a little marking there. That bolster looks really nice. Once again, you have a few small marks on the seat. Very subtle though. The rest of that looks really good. All right, we're gonna scan through the engine bay. Of course, there is a ton of plastic, so you're not gonna be able to see much here, but it's all in great condition. And then check this out. Seeing liners like this with patterns in it is really cool, just because it's a subtle detail, but that looks really, really good.